In this video, we will discuss how to calculate the band gap energy directly from the UV-Vis absorption data using Origin. In this plot, the absorption data of titanium dioxide is shown. It is a simple absorption profile in which there is a negligible absorption from 800 nanometer to around 400 nanometer. About 411 nanometer, a sharp absorption starts, which increases as the wavelength decreases. From 350 nanometer, a saturation starts in the absorption. The point from which the sharp absorption starts is called the edge wavelength, which is also called as the band gap energy after conversion from wavelength to energy. Let us open the titanium dioxide absorption data file in Origin. It is a 2-column data. We can plot the data. Now with the help of the data reader tool, we can find the edge wavelength, which comes out to be 411.19 nanometer. We can now convert the wavelength to energy by using this relation, which has already been discussed in the above mentioned video. As we found the edge value is 411.19 nanometer, so we can put the value to calculate the band gap value as 3.02 electron volt. Thank you for watching the video.